Alva. Day by day, design related softwares, IT related technical videos we are uploading in my channel. Just subscribe Infinity Gainer. Today we are see how to resolve the issue for in this application license error. See this error when I try to open the application, it is comes license manager error like this. Okay, how to resolve the issue? Just close in this tab. This is for like a DLL file related issue. Okay, this is for empty. You need feature it is added. Okay, how to resolve the problem? This is version based DLL files have. Okay, now setting management. Go to setting management for just open in this setting management in the search option Windows 10 Windows 11. It is in this have 3 options. Go to just click OK because this is for feature enable options. Wait several minutes. After it's come, now it is this is a tab. Left side is display. Okay, right side is visualization. Click visualization. In this left side home option is there in bottom section. Just open and click the home button for the left side. Now it is click full all the tab pages. The tab is re-enabled. Yes, wait several minutes. It is restore defaultly. Now check in the installation files for DLL files. Okay, just follow the procedure. In the DLL file, kp-paste to location for installation directory. Just kp-paste. Just close. Now open the Catia app. This DLL files based on Catia applications. Okay, verify. Now it is working on what check. If any doubts, queries have, just comment me comment section. We given the description also full just checkbox 143 checkbox, just select and check it all the checkboxes. If you have any issues, queries, comment me in comment section. If any thoughts, any queries you have, just comment me in comment section. We reply you, we support you. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for watching. Subscribe Infinity Gainer. Thank you friends.